Hey guys, Mark Smith here. Major breaking news out of California. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals has found that Hawaii's butterfly knife possession ban is unconstitutional under the Second Amendment. Specifically in the case of Teeter versus Lopez, a three-judge panel has found that Hawaii's ban is unconstitutional for several reasons. The first is, by the way, this is very important for you litigators out there. There's a wonderful discussion and accurate discussion of what's known as legislative facts that says specifically you don't need experts for any of these cases because you can use what are known as legislative facts. A nice discussion there. Again, we won't need to get into nerdy details of this particular video right here, but flag that if you're litigating this. Number two, they said indeed that knives, like guns, are arms under the Second Amendment. Now, we've talked about the plain text of the Second Amendment. It's the right of the people to keep and bear arms. Arms obviously includes more than firearms. We know that from the Caetano case by the Supreme Court in 2016 that said that stun guns were protected arms under the Second Amendment. Now, beyond that, we also know there's other cases like out of the Supreme Court of Oregon that billy clubs and the like are arms, and obviously knives are arms, and that is exactly what the Ninth Circuit said just here and right now. Then they go on to say, is there any history of banning these knives? And the answer is, of course not. We've talked about this before. Specifically, the anti-gunners always like to use the Bowie knife arguments going back to the early 19th century. But as I've given you information about this in prior videos, Bowie knives were not banned. They were regulated. Specifically, their carriage or carrying Bowie knives had some regulations associated with it. Like you could not carry them concealed, but that is a far different cry. That's a far cry from what we have here, which is a knife ban on the possession. So regulations involving the carrying of Bowie knives in the 19th century have nothing to do with banning the possession of butterfly knives here in the state of Hawaii. And I also want to say congratulations to the lawyers in this case. There's several of them here, including, for example, Alan Beck, who's been doing great work out there. We also have Stephen Stamboulé, hope I got that pronunciation right. Another great lawyer. They brought this case, and big win for Stephen and for Alan, so congratulations to you all. And again, this is huge news that you now have another Court of Appeals precedent in support of striking down gun ban, in this case a knife ban. So this is good news for the Second Amendment all across the board. This will be wonderful precedent that can be used in the future. But I wanted to get this breaking news to you out of the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in California. Might this case be en banc? Possible, but my guess is in this instance, it will not be en banc. I think the Ninth Circuit will let this one stand because it involves knives. But again, it's still a great precedent. That's my guess. It could be en banc, but my guess in this instance, it will not be. All right, folks, hope you learned a little bit something here at the Four Boxes Diner. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at Four Boxes Diner, and we'll see you again soon here at the Four Boxes Diner.
Orders up. Table 2A.